Welcome back guys sa Tom's Kitchen Channel. How to make crispy fried chicken in just 20 minutes. Hello guys at welcome back. The menu for today is crispy fried chicken. Ingredients: chicken, salt, black pepper, egg, flour, breadcrumbs, and oil. We start showing what we need. Chicken, thigh part, salt, black pepper, eggs, flour, breadcrumbs, and oil. Now we start mix all the ingredients. Mix the ingredients. Chicken, mix chicken, and salt. Also black pepper. We stop on that. So we call it marinated chicken. Now mix marinated chicken and flour like this. Then chicken coated in flour dip into egg. So this is how it looks like. After that, coated in flour and egg dip into breadcrumbs. It show like this, so it's ready to fry. Now we start. Put oil and set the flame to medium. Let the oil reach the highest temperature and put the ready-made chicken. To set the time, 20 minutes on the clock. Then time's up. Done cooking. So we show our chicken like this. It become like this, crispy and deliciously fried chicken. Thank you for watching and subscribe and